Hello kids, how are you? I hope all are doing well. So let's learn ABCD alphabet. So please full watching this video. Let's start. A for apple. A for angel. Say with me, A for apple. B for banana. B for basket. Say with me, B for banana. C for cat. C for car. Say with me, C for cat. D for doctor. D for dustbin. Say with me, D for dustbin. E for elephant. E for engine. Say with me, E for engine. F for fish. F for flower. Say with me, F for flower. G for guitar. G for garlic. Say with me, G for garlic. H for hodgepodge. H for honey. Say with me, H for hodgepodge. I for ink. I for ice cream. Say with me, I for ice cream. J for joker. J for jog. Say with me, J for jog. K for kiwi. K for key. Say with me, K for key. L for landscape. L for land. Say with me, L for land. M for muffin. M for mosquito. Say with me, M for muffin. N for net. N for nose. Say with me, N for net. O for olive. O for orange. Say with me, O for orange. P P for pumpkin. P for potato. Say with me. P for pumpkin. Q. Q for queen. Q for quirrell. Say with me. Q for quirrell. R. R for radish. R for ricin. Say with me. R for radish. S. S for spider. S for spinach. Say with me. S for spinach. T. T for turtle. T for Titanic. Say with me. T for turtle. U. U for universe. U for unicorn. Say with me. U for universe. V. V for violin. V for van. Say with me. V for violin. W. W for watermelon. W for water. Say with me. W for water. X. X for xylophone. X for X-ray. Say with me. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yoga. Y for yak. Say with me. Y for yoga. Z. Z for zero. Z for zebra. Say with me. Z for zebra. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.